Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to move your photos to iCloud easily. First things first, open up your settings. Then, tap on your profile. And once you're in your profile, what you want to do is head to iCloud. In your iCloud page, look for Photos. Press Photos and it will show you a menu of what you can do to your photos regarding your iCloud data. So, if you're full storage like me, you might want to consider upgrading by selecting Manage Account Storage. To continue, if you can see the Sync this iPhone option, make sure that this option is turned on. So if it is toggled off, just hit the slider. By doing this, it will make sure that the photos you took or saved from your iPhone links up to your iCloud directly. And that's it! You can now move your photos to iCloud easily. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!